Yeah. Late night. Rain hammering the glass like warnings. Let it breathe. Push it. Everybody awake. Good drop harder. Yeah. Storm in the skyline, thoughts twist cyclone. Ink in the pen like voltage hitting mic zones. Pressure keep building, silence turn pyro. Words strike lightning where the weak mind goes. I write weather patterns inside rhyme flows. Clouds heavy in the chest when memories spiral. Time move quiet, but the tension tidal. Every confession blow up viral. Love like vapor when the heat climb higher. Two silhouettes fade in the mist getting lighter. Moments dissolve like fire edges expire. Smoke linger thick when the sparks retire.
Rain on the roof like metronome ticking. Every drop echo the rhythm we living.
Push it.
You can't stand under this upside down umbrella made of yesterday's weather, and like we evaporate together, slowly drifting through forever. Storms don't last forever, and like we evaporate together.
Yeah, Queen hit that high. Make the thunder jealous. Wayne Wilder, go. Yeah. Mind like thunder when tension ignite. Laugh when pressure turn diamonds from light. Half these storms only live for the night, but scars in the sky still shine bright. Oh, shine. Words in the wind like vows never spoken. Truth hides silent when everything broken. Love like cloud when sunlight open. Gone in a flash, vapor awoken. Time and gravity measured distorted. Two hearts crashed and melt in the weather. Nothing permanent, nothing forever, but we perfect storm. Together, whatever. Explode. House in the chest where echoes remain. Thunder memory after the rain. Everything liquid will eventually change and vanish.
Gone again. You can't stand it from this upside down umbrella made of yesterday's weather, and like we evaporate together, floating slowly through forever. Storms don't last forever, and like we evaporate together.
That's it, cut. Now play it back louder. Storm still crying, we ain't done.
Twistas in the rain. Twistas in the rain. Twistas in the rain. Twistas in the rain. Twistas in the rain.